So you've probably heard this before, but YouTube is a community. But as a creator, sometimes it's really hard to remember that. You have lots of struggles, lots of ups and downs. A lot of times you just feel alone running your channel all by yourself. But then there's a lot of supportive people out there in this community. People like Paul Feinberg. Paul is a huge support of so many creators on this platform. In fact, it's really hard to almost go to a video and not find like 1 or 2 comments from Paul. But today, this community gets to celebrate Paul because he just hit 1,000 subscribers on his channel, which is a huge milestone for any YouTuber. And Paul, just want to let you know that this entire community is super grateful for you, and congratulations, man.
Hey guys, it's me, Mike. Welcome back to Unbox Warehouse. Now today we're checking out Alltel's Evo. Hello. Hey, what's up, Kyle? No, I'm filming a video right now, man. Paul Feinberg from Camera Camp, what about him? He's about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Whoop-de-doo, why do I care? He's always doing stuff nice for the community and very supportive. So who isn't? We're all trying to tag off other people and grow our channels. You want to do something nice for him? I mean, I don't even really remember who he is, but look, I'm filming something right now, so I can just do it right now and then you can edit everything else out, right? All right, hold on one second. I'll help you out. Just for you, Kyle. Hey, Paul, congratulations on reaching 1,000 subscribers. We're all very proud of you. You deserve it. You're hardworking and you always support the community. And we really appreciate that you're part of our family here on Unbox Warehouse and everything that you do for the YouTube community. Congratulations, Paul. Was that good? Perfect. All right. I mean, I really don't remember who he is. Just make sure you edit all that other crap out, all right? All right. All right, later, Kyle. Keep up the good work. All right, so this is the Alltel Evo 6K.
First off, I want the record to show that Kyle actually called me Sydney. He called me Sydney in his Instagram message because he's just using copy and paste. I see where I fall on the totem pole. Thanks, Kyle. Yeah, so Paul, dude, 1,000 subscribers. How cool is this, dude? How cool is this? I'll tell you that nobody works harder than Paul. Paul works so hard, whether it be helping me on my channel or working on his own videos. He puts a lot of time, effort, and thought into everything he does. Not only does he work really hard on his channel and the original Dobo channel, he's also super supportive and somehow finds so much time to enjoy, comment, and interact with others on their channels. You're not going to find anybody that cares more about this community than Paul. And I'm so happy that he is my best friend. And I'm so excited that he's finally hit 1,000 subscribers because you deserve it, dude. You deserve that and so much more. And this is only the beginning to brighter things. So I guess I'll take a page out of your book. I'll see you in the future.
Hey, Paul, don't mind the sweat, but huge congrats on reaching 1,000. You're a blessing. You're a huge support in this community and just rooting for you. So excited for you. 99,000 more to go. All right, buddy. Best wishes. Paul freaking Feinberg, 1,000 subscribers. Dude, congratulations. Now you can tell more people about your camera cam stories, you know? On a serious note though, it is amazing to see the community built around this channel, dude. Like, unreal. Keep on going. 10,000 subscribers. That's your next milestone. I know we're not just counting, but you know, it's gonna come real quick. So congratulations, dude. Later.
Hey, Jared here from the Hive Podcast, and I just wanted to stop by and say congratulations to Paul, man. Paul, producer Paul, 1,000 subscribers. It's been a long time coming. You've put a ton of work into it, and I could not be more stoked for you. You make great videos. You let each subscriber know how important they are in each of your videos. You talk directly to them. You do a fantastic job motivating anybody that watches your videos. So, dude, congratulations. I'm so stoked for you. Keep it going all the way to 100,000. We're going to get there. And in honor of producer Paul hitting 100,000, I've made a cocktail. Cheers, bud.
Mr. Paul, huge congrats, man. I'm proud of you, and I really hope that you use your newfound power for good and not evil. Just keep that in mind. Congrats, man.
Hey, congratulations, Paul, on reaching 1,000 subscribers. Good things happen to good people. You've been so supportive of everyone on this platform, and now it's our turn to be supportive of you. And you have a really good start to your channel. I enjoy each and every one of your videos, and I can't wait to see where it goes from here. So congratulations again, and enjoy the journey. Cheers.
Paul, in honor of you hitting 1,000 subscribers, I wanted to take that little bit of extra time and care to make sure I properly set the white balance for this video. I know it's something you care deeply about a lot, take a lot of pride in. So yeah, I know right now this isn't up to your standard, but that should be. You're welcome. Congrats. Cheers, mate.
Paul, I almost just choked on a piece of banana bread not 30 minutes ago. My throat is killing me. It is not my favorite day, but I still wanted to wish you a congratulations for 1,000 subscribers. Way to go, man.
Big congratulations, Paul, on your first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Keep killing it. You're going to grow and hit 10,000 before you even know it.
Paul, my man, congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. Super, super pumped for you. You're crushing it. Keep it going. I appreciate all the support on my channel, but most importantly, I appreciate you, and you are killing it. So keep it up, brother. Congrats on 1,000. That's a huge number that is very hard to reach. So just wanted to say congrats. You rock, man. Keep killing it.
Paul, congrats on the 1K subs, man. You definitely deserve it. I know for me and for so many others on this platform, you have been a huge support system. And for that, I just want to say thank you. Again, congrats on the 1K subs. I'm excited to literally watch your journey to 10K. You're absolutely the best, man.
Once again, Paul, congratulations on 1,000 subscribers. Dude, you're going to get to 10,000 in no time. It's awesome watching your channel grow. Thanks so much for all the support that you've sent me, and we'll probably see you in a couple weeks. All right, later, man.